Have you ever been to a TJ Maxx or Marshall's and wondered what delicious food they have?
Don't worry, we got you. Just the fun part, waffle cones.
Hey, not bad. A little dry, but not bad. Next, chili tamarind bites.
Wait, it's really good.
7 out of 10.
10 out of 10, I will go for this again. Pizza crisps. Crisps.
Tastes like dirty socks.
5 out of 10, not bad.
Heavenly Chunks blue lemon cookies.
Wait, and we got real bold. We tried the clearance section.
Oof. Looks like a dog treat.
I don't see this being good.
It tastes like sawdust and blueberry.
That's actually disgusting.
2 out of 10. That's definitely survival food.
Lastly, freeze numbs. Freeze dried chocolate fudge. Also, a clearance tag.
Bold.
Oh my god.
0 out of 10. Until next time, guys.